Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Hunting Sniper. So let's get on straight into the video. Open your Hunting Sniper application and then make sure that you're logged in using one of your accounts. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture located at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up your profile page. Here, simply tap on the pepper icon right next to your name and then go ahead and enter a new name for yourself. After you are done, tap on confirm and as you can see that your name has now just been changed. So that's how easy it is to change your name on Hunting Sniper account. You can change your name anytime you want by following the same step. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.